Today, we will show you how to view Garmin Connect insights in the Garmin Connect app. In this video, we will be using an Apple iPhone, but the instructions are the same on Android smartphones. Start by opening the Garmin Connect app. Select More in the bottom right to access the menu. Then select Insights. Here you can see how your activities compare to other Garmin Connect users. You can select the options at the top to change what age or genders your activities are compared to. Select the information icon to learn more about Garmin Connect Insights. To edit what insights are shown, select the three-dot icon and select Edit. Then the plus icon to select which insights you would like to see. You can also opt out of Insights. Select the three-dot icon, followed by Data and Privacy. Then read the Insights data and privacy information and select Opt Out. Select Cancel to continue contributing to Garmin Connect Insights. And that's it. You can now view Garmin Connect Insights in the Garmin Connect app. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.